Hello traders, hope you're all doing well. Welcome to my video on the correlation EA. This is a free expert advisor or trading robot if you prefer that I've developed for the MT4 and MT5 trading platforms. The correlation EA is completely free to use. Okay, so you can get it using the link in the description below. And in this video, I'm just going to run through the various settings and the ways in which you can implement this EA within your own trading strategy. So here's the MT4 trading platform. I have the euro-dollar 1 hour chart open here, okay, with the correlation EA attached. You can see up here in the top left-hand corner the correlation value. I've got the euro-dollar and the US dollar and Canadian dollar with a 0.92 correlation value. So if you go to the expert properties, scroll down, you can enter your correlation symbol here. So as I said, this is a euro-dollar 1 hour chart, and for the correlation symbol, I've chosen the US dollar and the Canadian dollar, which you can enter here. So you can enter any other symbol that you wish. And it will display the correlation value between the two here. Okay, so a minus 0.92 correlation value suggests that these are going in the opposite direction by, let's just say 92%, okay, because 1 is the maximum correlation value here. So in theory, with such a high correlation value, if the euro dollar is falling, which it is here, the US dollar and the Canadian dollar should be rising, as it is here, and vice versa. Okay, you can see on this US dollar Canadian dollar chart as well, the correlation value in the top left-hand corner, minus 0.92. Expert properties, I've entered the euro dollar there. Okay. So as I said, you can do this with any currency pairs that you wish, and it's just a good way to confirm entries. Perhaps there's a signal, you're not sure if you should take it or not, you can always check the correlation value. And then if you see that pair that is correlating in the opposite direction is confirming that signal, it can just give you that extra edge. Okay, the EA can be used semi-automated, which is what I think is best. Basically, you can receive alerts, whether that's via pop-up, SMS, or email. And it can also, when you get an alert, you can decide, open up your chart and just decide if you want to take a position or not, or you can use it in a fully automated manner as well, in which instance it can actually place and manage trades based on the settings that you choose. Okay, so in this instance, how could we have traded using this? Okay, so what we could have done, you could have seen the resistance here, okay? So wedge formation here. You can see the price lower highs here, so the start of a downtrend. Okay, you've got some bearish price action here. You've got 3 inside down pattern. Okay, you've got some inverted hammers as well. 3 black crows. There's plenty of bearish price action here. Okay, price moving away from this resistance level. Key area, you could argue here as well, when this level of support there was breached here, you can see this support then becomes resistance, which price moves away from, again, making lower highs. So all the signs around here were for bearish market conditions. You may have been thinking of taking a trade here. You may have even taken it based on the breakout of this line here, or perhaps on the pullback up here, depending on your trading strategy. But if we were using a correlation strategy, what we could have done in this instance is check the correlation value on the US dollar and Canadian dollar. And if there was a high correlation around here, which I'm pretty sure there would be if we switch over to this chart, we would have switched over to here and would have said, okay, well, this one's also hit a level of support here. It's making higher lows. Got your wedge formation, roughly drawn there. Your wedge formation here, breakout to the upside. There's plenty of bullish signals here, okay? You've got an engulfing bar there, 3 inside up, 3 white soldiers. There's lots of bullish patterns here. You've got a hammer pattern. So yeah, doing this analysis, we can almost double confirm either a sell trade on the euro dollar or a buy trade on the US dollar, Canadian dollar. Okay, because they're both telling us the same thing. So in my opinion, that gives you just a better confirmation rather than using one currency pair analysis alone. And it's pretty easy. You just need to be able to read this correlation value here. Okay, it doesn't mean that just because there's a high correlation or low correlation that you take a trade blindly. You do need to put some initiative and look for support, resistance, price action, and have good money management as well. Don't just blindly take trades because of a correlation or lack thereof. If we go to the expert properties, sorry, just to go back to what I was saying about blindly taking trades. Let's say you had taken this trade here based on a breakout of this support level, the lower highs, and the correlation. Okay. In terms of money management, I mean, you can have the best entry in the world, but if you've got poor money management, you can quickly change what should be a winning strategy into a losing one. Okay, so to emphasize that, let's just say you had here a 50 pip stop loss and 100 pip take profit, which is not unreasonable for the 1 hour charts. And you took this breakout trade here. So 50 pip stop loss is up here somewhere, which is not terrible. But if you actually look at the chart, you could easily have had a stop loss around here. You can almost halve it if you had it on the recent swing high. So you can halve your stop loss straight away by manually checking what's going on. And if your take profit was 100 pips, which would be down here, so not bad, still would have been a good trade. Probably at that time you would have been happy. But then when you see that the price has dropped now, almost 200 pips, you would have left the trade prematurely and left a lot on the table. Instead, what I would have done is, as price was falling down here, would have moved the stop loss above the high here, above the high here, above the high here, and maybe we'd be locked in around here somewhere with a break even. So worst case scenario, if price turns against us, we've locked in more than the 100 pips. But as we can watch what happens with price here, whether it starts ranging or starts making higher lows, then we can consider taking part, if not all of the position, and just earn a lot more than having fixed stop loss and take profit levels. Okay, so talking of stop loss and take profit, we'll go through the expert properties now, and we will get to the money management. So these are the settings that you can amend according to your own trading strategy and preferences. So alerts, you can have pop-up alerts, email alerts, and SMS alerts. This is handy perhaps if you're away from your machine and you need to receive alerts when on the go, or just lounging around on the sofa and you want to know when certain criteria have been met, for you to then fire up your platform, take a look and decide what to do from there. Use trading, if you set use trading to true, the EA will actually place and manage a trade for you. You can combine use trading with alerts as well, so you know that the trade's been placed and then you can quickly check to confirm everything is good. Trade short, trade long, trade direction. This is handy perhaps, if in this instance you were analyzing the situation, you'd only want to trade short. Based on all the analysis we did in terms of the resistance, the lower highs, we'd be considering sell trades. Just as if you were trading the US dollar, Canadian dollar, you'd probably be looking to trade long only after this bear trap here and the price moving upwards. Days filter, self-explanatory. The days of the week, hours filter, self-explanatory as well. Magic number, so this is the order ID. Order ID is sent along with the trades set to 1 for buy and 2 for sell by default. This is handy in case you're running multiple expert advisors on the same platform. You don't want them to clash with each other. Maximum spread, maximum slippage, again, self-explanatory. These are values in pips. The EA will not trade if the spread or slippage is greater than these values, which helps to prevent trading in unfavorable market conditions. Open orders limit, maximum number of open buy and or sell trades anytime. This is to help prevent duplicate trades. Lots, so if you are using trading, you can set your position size there. Keep in mind, lots field is only used if user risk is set to false. If you have user risk set to true, the EA will calculate the lot size depending on the risk that you set here and the risk percent field. Stop loss and take profit, self-explanatory. However, for the reasons that I mentioned previously, I'm not too keen on fixed levels in this instance. Granted, if you are away from your machine and you do just want stop loss placed, you can always put a hard stop loss in there, say 50 pips or whatever you like, and then amend accordingly. Take profit. I would personally leave this on 0 simply because I'm going to take what the market gives me at any time rather than exit prematurely. Or you can always set it to something high just in case something miraculously happens and you want to bank as much profit as possible. Close an opposite signal, self-explanatory. There's a signal in the opposite direction. You can close an open trade. So break even and trailing stop. If you have break even set to true, once this price is reached, which is in pips, let's say 25 pips, the EA will move the stop loss to break even. And you can have use trail set to true if you please, which will trail the stop loss by this distance, let's say 25 pips as well, each time that distance is reached. Okay, but again, I don't think it can be manually looking at your charts and say you bought here on this uptrend, okay, you can see, well, I want to put my stop loss below this recent swing low. Maybe a fixed trailing stop would not be, well, it certainly wouldn't be as accurate as you can do by looking at the chart and putting some effort into it yourself, just as in this sell trade here. You could have put the trailing stop above the high, above the high, above the high. Okay, and bear in mind, having 1 hour charts is not like you need to stare at your charts all day. You can just check back every few hours and adjust accordingly. You can use this EA as well on any trading instrument, any chart time frame. I just prefer the higher chart time frame simply because I think they do a better job of filtering out a lot of the noise and give more reliable signals, but each to their own, whether you're scalping, day trading, or swing trading. It's your decision how you trade. Close percent. So if you have close percent set to, let's say, 20, that will close 20% of the trade each time the break even, well, when the break even point's initially reached and then the trailing gap's reached, it will close 20% of the trade until you have minimum lot close left. So if you only have 0.5 lots left, the EA will stop closing the position and just let the remainder run. Correlation. So this is whether you want to trade inverse or regular. So with or against the correlation. Correlation symbol, as we discussed at the start of the video, you can enter here, along with the correlation period and the pivot value, which is sort of the value that will trigger a trade or a signal. Okay, so that's the settings, and you can customize according to your own preferences. EA is available for MT4 and MT5, completely free to use, doesn't come with set files because it's down for you to use your own initiative and trade in a way that suits you because everybody is different in that respect. As I said, I think this performs best in a semi-automated manner if you put some effort into actually analyzing the charts yourself, deciding if you want to go long, if you want to go short. You get 2 bites of the cherry, so to speak, simply because you don't just have to rely on one chart for your analysis. You can confirm with another chart and, of course, the correlation value, which is the whole purpose of this correlation expert advisor. I hope you found something useful in this video. Please help yourself to a copy of the EA using the link. Thanks for watching, and I hope to catch you on the next one. Take care.